In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring invoice in Zoho Books. If you're looking for a straightforward way to automate your billing process and save precious time every month, you're in the right place. Whether you're a small business owner or managing accounts for a larger organization, setting up recurring invoices can significantly streamline your workflows, so let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side menu. You're going to click on the section labeled Sales. This is your gateway to all the invoice-related functions in Zoho Books, making it easy to manage and track your sales activities. Now, under the Sales tab, you'll see various options. Look for the one that says Recurring Invoices and click on it. This section is where you can set up new recurring invoices and also manage any that you've previously created. Once you've accessed the recurring invoices list, you'll see the option to Create New Recurring Invoice. Go ahead and click on that. This action takes you to a new page where you can input all the necessary details to set up your recurring invoice. Now that you're on the Setup page, it's time to select the customer you want to bill repeatedly. Zoho Books allows you to simply select from a list of existing customers, or if it's a new customer, you can add them right away. Following that, you'll need to type in a profile name. This name will help you quickly identify this particular recurring invoice whenever you need to access it later. Next is the order number. Assign an order number for easy reference and organization. It's a good practice to keep these numbers consistent with any existing sorting systems you may be using to ensure easy retrieval and reduce the chances of any mix-up. Now that the basic details are filled in, you want to specify how often this invoice should recur. Zoho Books lets you choose from various repeat options, be it weekly, monthly, or annually. Selecting the right interval depends on your billing agreement with the customer. Following the repeat options, you're brought to the payment terms. This is crucial for cash flow management, as it dictates when you expect to receive payment. Determine what terms you want to set up, whether it's upon receipt, net 15, net 30, or any other terms that fit your business needs. And now onto the item table. Here you will specify what exactly you're billing the customer for. Enter details about each product or service, including descriptions, quantities, and prices, ensuring that every line item is accounted for. Finally, once all sections are aptly completed, it's time to save your changes. Simply click on Save, and you're all set. Your recurring invoice is now ready to automate your billing, freeing up time for you to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. And that's how you create a recurring invoice in Zoho Books. I hope this guide was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.